The UK Health Security Agency, UKHSA, has unveiled a groundbreaking tool, a first of its kind, shining a spotlight on a chilling reality. The UK faces a significant biosecurity threat from a diverse range of viruses and bacteria, many previously unseen on its shores. This alarming assessment, highlighting 24 pathogens, underscores the urgent need for proactive measures to safeguard public health. The report, a stark warning from government experts, prioritizes research into deadly organisms from families including those responsible for bird flu, plague, and the dreaded Ebola. These pathogens pose a palpable threat, demanding immediate attention and strategic resource allocation. The UKHSA's tool identifies critical vulnerabilities, a concerning lack of vaccines, diagnostic tests, and effective treatments for numerous pathogens. The escalating climate crisis further exacerbates the risk, creating new breeding grounds for disease and expanding the geographical reach of infectious agents. Adding to this already precarious situation is the rise of antimicrobial resistance, rendering existing treatments ineffective against a growing number of bacterial infections. The report meticulously details the specific threats, ranging from familiar foes to unknown adversaries. The Filoviridae family, home to the lethal Marburg and Ebola hemorrhagic fevers, is highlighted, along with the Flaviviridae family, encompassing mosquito-borne scourges such as dengue and Zika. These are not merely theoretical threats, they represent a clear and present danger to the UK's population. Bacterial families also feature prominently in the report. Yersinia pestis, the causative agent of the devastating plague, and Bacillus anthracis, responsible for anthrax, are identified as significant concerns. The Coronaviridae family, infamously known for the COVID-19 pandemic, and the Orthomyxoviridae family, encompassing avian influenza, serve as stark reminders of the devastating consequences of viral outbreaks. These are not isolated incidents. They represent a pattern of emerging infectious diseases that require robust and proactive responses. The report also underscores the domestic burden imposed by existing pathogens for which no effective treatments or vaccines are available. Norovirus, a member of the Calliciviridae family, already places a considerable strain on the UK's healthcare system, highlighting the urgent need for research and development in this area. The report serves as a sobering reflection on the UK's preparedness for future pandemics. The UK COVID Inquiry's damning findings, that pre-2020 pandemic preparedness was overly focused on influenza, resulting in a delayed response to the COVID-19 pandemic, provide a crucial context for the UKHSA's report. This underscores the critical need for a more comprehensive and adaptable approach to biosecurity, one that anticipates and effectively addresses a wider spectrum of potential threats. The Paramyxoviridae family, encompassing both measles and the highly dangerous Nipah virus, adds another layer of complexity to this challenging landscape. The report's implications are far-reaching, extending beyond the immediate concerns of specific pathogens. It compels a reassessment of national biosecurity strategies, urging a shift from reactive measures to proactive prevention and preparedness. The absence of effective countermeasures against many of these pathogens demands immediate investment in research, development, and surveillance systems. Early detection and swift response remain crucial in mitigating the potential impact of future outbreaks. This comprehensive report from the UKHSA acts as a clarion call, urging immediate action to strengthen the UK's biosecurity capabilities. The threats are real, the challenges are significant, but with concerted effort and strategic investment, the UK can mitigate the risks and safeguard the health of its citizens. The future of public health depends on our ability to learn from past experiences, anticipate future challenges, and invest in the research and infrastructure necessary to protect against these emerging threats. The time for decisive action is now.